Just trying to get that pop, splash sound, some of that rattle from those beads. There he goes. Got him! Everybody, welcome back. Ruben with Texas All Water Fishing. I'm out here today with Chad. We're gonna come in here and fish the marsh a little bit. You know, wish us luck. Kind of got a late start. It's almost 8 o'clock, so typically we try to be back in here before sunrise. But anyway, wish us luck. Hopefully you catch us hooking up. This is a real nice trout. See if I can net him. Oh, yes. Whoo, my goodness. This is a real nice trout. Look at this guy here. This is just a gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous fish right here. See these cross intersections, if you will, like where the water meet each other, different bodies of water meet, and just cast a lot. Cast low, cast high, cast for trout, cast for reds, cast for flounder. And this guy is 20 1/4 inch. Got him right on the roof of his mouth. Nope, right to the side, right on the side of his mouth. Chickenboy Lure. Just Chad and I were just talking about how there's fish all pushed in this grass. So you got the wind coming this way, and a lot of times it'll push the bait over here, and then the your predator fish will follow them too. So I was casting behind me, trying to position myself so I could face the wind, and this guy hit behind me. So that's always fun, you know, catch a fish behind your back. It's not ideal, but you know what? Catch the fish any way I can. I got him on the chicken boy as well. Yeah, he's gonna be short. Big belly though, golly. You know what? He is 20, just missing 20 1/4 inch. We're gonna let him go. He's a little too close to comfort for me. I like to get him at least 20 1/2, 20, 21, but he's definitely slot. That's a nice slot red. Let's say we're gonna let this guy go. Hopefully we catch a bigger one. I just scared like about 5 or 6 big dust clouds, and then something big just blew up over here. You see these dust clouds? I keep scaring them. There's another one over here. I can't get him to bite now. I just scared one right in front of me. He tail whipped. I had another one on to the side, and he got off. I mean, I know there's reds here. It is windy. It's about a foot of water, a little more than a foot of water, and you can't see anything. So to be able to find them and be able to get them to bite is great. I just need to get them to hook. So I had a bigger lure on. I just changed it and went to a medium-sized lure. Had a big old hoagie on, so I just went smaller. Put a DSL on. Let's see if we can get him to bite. Yeah, I'm on this crap right here. On this guy. He is a hoss. You crossed my line, bro? I'm fighting a fish, yeah. There you go. Coming your way. It's a good one. This is a good one right here. Oh, come on. Stay with me. Stay with me. Whew. There's a big one that I've been wanting back here. This lake cannot. Do not want to lose this guy. Yeah. Come on. Oh, man. This. No idea how long I've been trying to get a nice red like this. I guess y'all do know. Y'all been with me the whole time. Man, that feels good though. Feels great. 4 Horsemen Corks. DSL. This nice guy. All right. Look at that beauty. Oh man, right in the corner of the mouth. He was not going anywhere. 28 and a quarter. One more look at this beauty. Big mouth. Gorgeous, gorgeous fish right here. Get that release of him. There he goes. Somebody big's over here, Chad. There we go. I knew you were here somewhere, my man. I seen you. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, you hit it like a champ. I love it. Come on. Come on. I saw you hitting on that bait over there. Oh, we got a screamer. Come on. Come on. Oh, don't go into my kayak. Don't go into my kayak. Don't go into the kayak. Don't go to the kayak. Just out of my drive. Gonna cut himself off. Whoo, he is not done. Dang. Whoo. Let him tire himself out. Try to muscle him up, but you know what? I need to let him tire himself out. Come on. My arms are so my arm and shoulder is so sore from popping this cork all day. He's gonna tire me out, I think. Ah, yes. Beautiful, beautiful fish. Beautiful catch. Got him on that Chickenboy under 4 Horsemen Cork. Just an awesome, awesome fish. Right there, side of his mouth, full Horsemen Cork, Chickenboy. Just a wonderful fish, great fight. Gonna get him measured up. I just saw him saw a big wake. I saw him smash on some bait fish over there. So I just cast and cast, probably like 5 or 6 casts. Kept popping that cork. And he took it. Yeah, he is 25.5 inches. Just missing 25.5. Take another look.